In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an authentication method to your Stripe account. We'll walk through this simple process, ensuring that your account is more secure and protected from unauthorized access. Adding an authentication method is a crucial step in strengthening your account security. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Stripe account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Stripe website. Once you're there, log in using your email and password. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Stripe experience. Next, you'll want to locate your profile settings. You can find this option in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the Profile option. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust your personal and account details. Once you're in your profile settings, you'll need to scroll down until you find the two-step authentication section. This section is a key part of securing your account. Two-step authentication, also known as two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification before you can log in. In the two-step authentication section, you'll see an option to Add Authentication Method. Click on this option to begin the process of setting up your added security measure. Once you click, you'll be prompted to follow a series of steps to complete the setup. These steps are designed to guide you through the process smoothly. During the setup process, you may be asked to provide a phone number or an authentication app for the second form of verification. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions carefully. If you opt for an authentication app, you'll need to have one downloaded on your smartphone. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate a code that you'll use to verify your identity when logging in from a new device or after clearing your browser history. Once you've followed all the steps and your new authentication method is set up, you're all done. Your account now has an additional layer of security, giving you peace of mind knowing that your sensitive information is better protected. Remember, taking the time to enhance your account security is always worth the effort. By investing these few minutes now, you're ensuring a safer experience with Stripe in the long run. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for support. Happy securing!